Alright bro, see what's up. So I just took off my bumper and I'm gonna see what the whole damage is all about. So one putazote right here. And then I think this is from the bash bar, so I needed to cut it right there, and then another putacito right here. And for those of you that were like, oh man, why did you fucking fuck up your rear end or your bumper, you know, why'd you destroy it? I decided to hit those walls because my bumper was already fucked up. I don't know if you guys remember one time we went to Adam's track, the homie Harvey hit the bumper.
Shit happened. That was my best one too. Them over fenders though. Wow, that's a commercial. Nothing. I was going straight for the door. Did you get it on film?
Yeah, but it was kind of far. Fuck it. Tú nomás dale, güey. So I figured, I'm like, fuck it, I'm just gonna finish up and destroy it, you know? So that's why. And then, I mean, I can paint my own cars, so I'll just buy another bumper or just sand this one down. I'm thinking of just sanding it down for now and then repainting it. And then check out the worst part. What's up, bro? What do you think? Sexy? What do you think of my exhaust, bro?
Fucking chueca, dog.
Oh, like my dick. Yeah, that shit, it's not that bad. Yeah, it's not that bad. I just gotta loosen it up from those two bolts, and then I'll make another piece. I don't know if you guys remember that I made this piece. It's pretty easy. I'll just unbolt it from there and then make a new pipe, or just unbolt it and leave it like that, so you know, who cares. But yeah, that shit was funny when I hit the wall. That shit started sounding different. I'll post a video right now. That shit was funny. I saw my boys right there, fucking Chris Miller, John Vargas, who else? Hurt was there. I seen him right there and I'm like, I'm just gonna fucking hit the wall since they're right there, you know. So I decided to hit it, and the exhaust took the hit. But yeah, the bash bar putting work. So we made a new one, and right now that the bumper's off, I'm gonna take this one off and then just make sure it fits. So I'm gonna do that right now, and then I'll take off the exhaust and probably make a new one. I don't know yet. Alright guys, I don't know if you guys noticed, but so on Saturday when we went to that Hoonigan event, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I got some new hotboi wheels. You guys ready to see them? I know you guys saw them already. Let me show you. Damn. What do you guys think? The rears are like 18 by 11s. I don't know the offset. And then the fronts, I think they're 18 by 10s. I think 4-inch lip in the front, and then like 5 or 5.5 in the rear. I forgot. But yeah, I think they look better than the other ones. So the day I chopped the 240 truck, rest in peace by the way, when I chopped that truck, guys, you guys don't even know, I was like sad. I went home. I mean, I went inside my room and I just fucking knocked out, and I was just thinking, you know, I'm like, fuck, like, what can make me happy? And I was like, bros, I'm just gonna fucking buy some wheels for the Z, and hopefully that cheers me up, you know? So yeah, I hit up one of my boys. He was selling the wheels. I told him to shoot through, you know, and he brought them to me, and I just bought them right there and then. And yeah, it made me feel a little better about Troquita, you know? It made me forget a little bit, you know? So, pretty happy now. The car, the Z's looking better now, so pretty happy. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below if you guys noticed them at the Hoonigan event. Pretty sure everybody noticed them, but nobody commented about them, so here they are. Here's the other side. They're fucking dirty right now. They're actually pretty clean. You think it's gonna fit or what?
I hope so.
So para mi raza de México que nos está viendo, ahí está el putazo que le di. Le di uno allí y le di el otro acá. Creo que aquí le di como 2 veces. Les estaba diciendo que a lo mejor lo voy a lijar y lo voy a volver a pintar. Y se lo voy a volver a poner, so no hay pedo. Y ya, aquí están mis nuevos rines. Los compré porque me sentí triste. Y ya me siento mejor. Estaba triste porque había cortado la troquita. Pero compré estos rines y me sentí mejor. Huh? Let me hold it up. You wanna cut it?
I'm gonna cut the bolt off, yeah.
Why?
It won't come out.
The dashboard didn't fit.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think those holes, they're a little off, so we're just gonna make them a little bigger and then it should fit. But yeah, our bash par's fucking, I think it put in work. It saved my fucking rear end. I mean, I wasn't getting too close. I mean, I was barely touching the wall, so I bet if I fucking hit the wall, I would have fucking damaged that shit, huh?
That would have been cool.
Like Daniel?
Yeah, that's because his bash bar was perfect.
The bash bar was, but not the holes. So the whole thing was like up and it shifted, huh? It shifted up.
You know what's crazy too? He had those crush points too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And it still held up, yeah.
But if you didn't have them, fool, it would have fucked. But who cares, fool?
Yeah. I mean, fuck it.
I would just say just back half it. Just put the back half on.
Yeah.
Alright,
That was an easy fix. Check it out. Chingon. Easy fix, fool.
straight.
A huevo. Check that shit out. Ready for next round, huh? Later on, I'll probably make another piece. That way I can hit it next time again. Chingon. Drop a like. I haven't been able to find a bumper, Harvey, and I think I'm just gonna sand it down and just repaint it, make it look nice. What do you guys think? See or no? Or should I just fucking rock it like that? Nah, I like having my car clean. I don't mind fucking thrashing on it and, you know, hitting shit, but I want to make it look clean again. At least if I suck, you know, at least you look clean. Remember that. It don't matter if you suck. As long as you look clean, that's all it matters, bros. That's all it matters. Alright, broski, so I put my bumper back on and it's not like going in all the way. I think I'm just gonna cut it from here, from like this line. I'm gonna follow it and then go all the way to the fucking like exhaust holes. So I'm gonna follow this line and then just cut it all the way. Chingue su madre. The jacking point's like right here and it doesn't like want to go all the way in. I think we left the bash bar a little too long, too far away from the chassis, so I'm just gonna cut the bumper, fuck it. It's already fucked up from the bottom anyways. Alright, so I have my tape right here, and then I'm just gonna fucking cut it. She looks like shit, but fuck it. Alright, fucked anyways. Alright, broski, so I'm getting ready to prep my bumper to paint it, and I don't have any sandpaper, so I'm gonna hit Home Depot right now. And also, I don't know where I left my my spray gun. I think I'm gonna have to buy another one, so let's go to Home Depot. We'll get some sandpaper and then I guess buy another spray gun. Where the fuck did I leave it? I don't know. Anyways, let's go to Home Depot. I don't think I've ever talked about this car, but I have this BMW X1. I believe it's a 2016, 17. Yeah, I think it's a 2016. We got it brand new, and we leased it 3 years ago, exactly this month. And our lease is gonna be over, I think, the 28th of this month. So I was telling my girl, let's just return it and like save up for like 2 or 3 months, and then I'll get her a different car. But I don't want her to stay without a car. So what I was thinking is, I have another car that I don't think I've ever shown you guys, because it's been sitting in my my storage. I have a container out there where I park my my big trailer, the 3-car trailer, and it's there in the container. It's been there for about 3 years. I think ever since I bought this car, I took it over there because I wasn't driving it anymore, so I figured I'd put it on non-op and just store it, you know. So maybe like in 2 or 3 weeks before the month ends, we're gonna go get it, and I'll show it to you guys. So, and we're gonna do some minor work to it, you know, just so my girl is a little comfortable. But yeah, I hope you guys are excited for that. I'm excited because I haven't seen that car in like 3 years, so it's time to get her back, and I'll show it to you guys. But yeah, this car is gonna be gone in like the end of the month. I think the 28th. I gotta take it back, and bye-bye. We don't really fit anymore, so I told my girl, I'm like, let's just fucking get a bigger car, you know. So when we're ready, I'll take you guys with me. But leave a comment, what do you guys think I should get next for her? It's mainly for her, you know. Leave a comment down below, let me know what kind of SUV. I'm thinking SUV. She doesn't want to get a van because she says she feels old, you know, like driving a van. I'm like, B, you're old already, you know. I'm just kidding. Just kidding, baby. I love you. You're young. But yeah, she doesn't want a van. We're probably gonna get another SUV. I'm thinking like a Honda Pilot, or like a 4Runner or something around that category, or maybe an X5. But I don't know if they're much. I don't know if they're bigger than this, so I would have to go check them out. But yeah, leave a comment down below if you have any suggestions. Or no, or I think I bought this one before. 40. Yeah, it's kind of like this one. This one looks better. I'm gonna go with this one, since this one I think you can spray a little bit more, and it's a little lighter, so it's not that heavy. It's only like 20 bucks more, so 80 bucks. I'll take it. Chingue su madre. Alright, broski, so we have the bumper all sanded down, ready for paint. I'm just gonna let it dry a little bit because I rinsed it down. So once it gets all dry like this, I'll start painting it, and we'll see how it comes out. I was looking for my gun and it's right there. Fuck it. I bought a new one. Like, fuck it. Yeah, there it is. Alright, we're gonna get ready to spray it. Let's test out this fucking new gun. Looks beautiful though. Oh. broski, so the bumper's ready for round 2 at Hoonigan. I'm just kidding, but it's ready for the next putazos. Fuck it. We'll just put it on tomorrow, I guess, because I gotta let it dry. Let me know what you guys think of my wheels. And that's it. I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.